Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. This is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes ever. This recipe actually made my channel go very viral. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this no glue slime recipe today is hand sanitizer. You can use any type. I prefer the Bath & Body Works one. You guys will need any type of body wash, a bowl or plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least is food coloring, which is optional. Okay, so I'm first going to take out my bowl or plate and I'm going to add in my body wash. And this body wash is being very difficult today and it would not come out, so I had to keep shaking the bottle. But I finally got enough out to make this slime recipe. And the next thing you guys will need to do is take out your hand sanitizer and add a few drops of it into there. The hand sanitizer will act as the activator, and all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just mixing as you can see here, and it was actually thickening over time, which is very good for no glue slime, as you can tell from the texture here. And the last thing you guys have to do is put this into the refrigerator for about, I'm gonna say 3 hours or so. And every 30 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and mix it up and make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay, 3 hours later, here is the no glue slime. And I can already tell this turned out awesome just by shaking the container. And here is the slime. Look how clear and jiggly it is. This actually made a jiggly slime, which I haven't made in a while, so I was very happy by the texture. And I'm guessing it's because of the soap. The soap isn't the best, but it works out okay in the end. But this recipe turned out so amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good due to the body wash and the hand sanitizer, and the colors matched up really well. And those gel beads you see in the hand sanitizer actually melt over time while from the mixing and just from being in the fridge. So I'm so happy by this recipe. This is one of my favorite ones ever, and I feel like you guys have to try this recipe right now. I also want to say I'm so sorry for the lack of posting on here. I've been posting daily on TikTok, and the newest video I posted was my Melanie Martinez vlog, which you should definitely go check it out. Also, check out my TikTok page, KawaiiToyCollectorShop. I post daily, like I said before, and I feel like you guys would love to see those videos on there. This recipe was a huge win-win, and please remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. And thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye guys!